Welcome to the new TopHat headquarters. This is my brother's new garage that he's currently working on. He just moved in, so it's a mess. It will be something worth talking about in the future. Today's task, undo what I did, because it wasn't that much fun. So ultimately, I'm going to take off tire letters, stickers, everything. We're going for a 100% stock, super clean, super freaky look. It's going to be pretty friggin' awesome. And that's about it. We're just going to have some fun. Alright, this is the outcome. I got a little bit of cleaning left to do. There's a little bit of glue residue here and there from the vinyl. The only reason I'm wearing these bitch mitts is because I gotta get on the bike and ride home, so I don't really have a chance to wash up before I leave. But the stickers are gone, as you can see. The rims are in great shape. There's a ton of marks, like right here. A whole bunch of stone marks here and there and all over, but it is what it is. The glue residue that was left from the tire stickers here, it's not that bad. You don't really notice it. I'm assuming some of it will wear off as the tires heat up and do whatever. But ultimately, tires will be changed. As you can tell by that beautiful wear bar, there's not a lot left. So these tires are basically going to go on. I'm going to have a little bit of fun, and then they're going to come off. And then I'm putting some Firestone Indy 500s on, and then we'll have a whole fresh new look. So this is the plan. This is the first update. This is the first thing I've done to my car in 6 weeks. This is the first I've seen of my car in 6 weeks. I am going to leave the blacked out bow tie because I do like that. I think it adds just a nice little touch to the car. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I absolutely love the look of these rims. Push come to shove, GM did a great job, and maybe I'll just end up powder coating. There's a bird. There's a bird. Oh my god. There's a bird. There's a bird. There it goes. Okay, so, anyways, till next time, guys. Take care, drive safe, behave, as always.